Hello everybody. I know it's been a while since I made a video. Sorry about that. I've had to sit about 14 GCSEs in the past couple of weeks, so that's why. But anyways, I'm finally back and I've got an unboxing. This is one I'm very excited for. This box has been shipped all the way from the United States, so I've been waiting patiently for the last couple of weeks for it to arrive, and it finally has. As you can see, I have opened it just to check that it is the model I was expecting, and honestly, without further ado, I'm just going to get straight into it because I'm so excited. As you can see here, I bought this from Panda Fox Toys, so thank you very much to them. Yeah, anyway, go to that. So this is the model here in this bundle, and there we go. Oh boy, if you're unfamiliar, this is what it used to be, one of the most sought after aircraft. However, FlyBe of course have gone bust in the last few years, which is very sad. I used to fly with them all the time as a kid, but oh my goodness, sorry, just quickly sorry, jumping the gun a bit. Let's have a look at the box. So obviously on the front, you have the old GeminiJets box where they used to have the branding of the airline much more prominent on the box, and then the clip art just below that. This is also the old box design, because obviously now they have the bottom bit. It's a lot tidier, and everything's a lot cleaner. On the back, the clip art of the aircraft in a sort of with a sky background, and then the date. This model is from 2007. It's another old model. I think the last unboxing I did was of that British Airways A310, which was from like 2005. So yeah, but as you see, there is the model inside. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy to finally have one of these. So yeah, here we go. Do not push down hard. Okay, thanks. Didn't know that. Didn't know I'm dealing with a highly delicate model, but thanks. Don't know if that was GeminiJets or Panda Fox Toys who put that in the box. Also, I'd just like to mention, this is my first Dash 8 Q400. I've got a Dash 8 Q200 of Qantas Link, I believe. But this is my first 400, which is also very exciting. Oh my goodness gracious me. Okay, just gonna get rid of the box so we can admire this absolute beauty. Oh, okay, no way the landing gear rolls. What? I thought GeminiJets didn't introduce rolling landing gear till like, well, the 2010s at least. Oh my god. Okay, hold on, wait, sorry, let's take a closer look. Just having a closer look at the model. Up at the front, you can see the iconic de Havilland Dash 8 Q400 window, which just roll across the front there. Then further back, we have the L1 door, followed by the FlyBe titles, which if you don't know, stands for Fly British European. So there you go, fun fact of the day. Then we have the wings, which are of course on the top of the fuselage for the Dash 8 aircraft, and then at the back you have the FlyBe titles, which kind of roll up the back onto the vertical stabilizer, and then of course the T-shaped tail at the back there. So that is it. I also like to show this livery has the blue undercarriage, which I think is a really nice touch. This is actually one of my favourite FlyBe liveries. The purple livery is of course my favourite, but compared to the new one which they introduced when they started back up in, I believe, 2021, I personally think this one is far superior. It's probably also a bit of personal bias just because I've flown this livery the most, but it's still my favourite, apart from the purple one of course. So I had some aircraft out on the airport, so I thought I'd just put the FlyBe Q400 onto the display, put some GST around it and give you guys some shots. So I just want to say thank you very much for watching, and I'll leave you with those now.
It was just two lovers, sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Pink and orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. Missed call from my mother, like where you at tonight, got no alibi, I was all alone with